Changing tracks, but still keeping it with more earnings analysis and how things are shaping up for the liquor industry. My colleague Mubina Kapasi joins in as liquor makers have a reason to say cheers as prices of molasses have hit rock bottom. She joins us with the trend analysis on that. Mubina?
Well, yeah, certainly they have a reason to say cheers, especially given the fact that the prices as well have managed to hit rock bottom, like you said, and this is something that has been reflected even in the financials. But first, I want to talk about how raw material prices have moved. This is, of course, the trend that we have witnessed. So we've started off from July 2017 and subsequently moved all the way to April 2018. That's, of course, most recently. This is as per the government's WPI data. So it was at a high of almost about 176.5. In fact, even reaching 180. If you can pull the chart even more behind, but yeah, 180 approximately is where the chart kicked off at, and finally there was just a downward trend witnessed in these prices, and finally we touched a level of 46.1. This is of course data as on April 2018. From what we understand is that the May data has shown an even lower trend. That means we're probably touching levels of about 40 on the WPI index when it comes to molasses. So this is the decline we have seen in molasses since the last one odd year. Take over and move over to sugar prices. Meantime, over there as well, the trend has been on a downward trajectory. Of course, not so much to the extent of molasses. But yeah, we started off July 2017 at 130. Stabilized more or less till like November or December 2017 at that level of 130, and subsequently there was this downward decline all the way to a level of 109.6. That's where sugar prices are currently at on the WPI index. Now remember that we have seen bumper crop production of sugarcane come by in Uttar Pradesh. That was one of the reasons why we did see a lot of weakness come by during this period. It was when WPI prices actually had the beginnings of the crack in sugar prices. So that's something that did cause sugar prices to crack significantly. The process, of course, for liquor production is the sugar is used in turn to make molasses. The molasses is distilled into ENA, and of course ENA is a major byproduct of liquor. So yes, this certainly does play a significant role in liquor production, and here it's witnessed in the EBITDA margins from the corresponding quarter to the current quarter. As you can see, there's only been margin expansion, just save for United Spirits, of course, which did see some compression come by. But yeah, otherwise look at United Breweries from 9.1% to 14.2%. But yeah, do remember it's not only the cost price, but also the fact that all these companies have been, introducing premiumization. So there has been a steady rise in EBITDA margins. But we have all the Q4 numbers out for liquor companies. Take a look at what exactly they've done in terms of sales and profits. Across the board, there has been growth on the sales, but not only on the sales, the profitability has jumped by more than double. So take a look at, in fact, the profit percentage growth. For United Spirits, it was a loss in the corresponding quarter. They've posted a profit. For United Breweries, a 13.5 times jump seen in the net profit. Radico Khaitan saw a 2x jump. Som Distilleries a 2.5x jump. So clearly, it is reason for liquor companies to say cheers.